Last week, I helped a student to reduce 15-minute task to 5 under 5 minutes. So how does that happen? Well, that's because that my student have this process to do, right? It's like here's a stock card, right? So it will has, as for example, now you have 897 for each of the items, and then the buyer want to buy one out of the eight. So existing you have 8 units, and then the buyer want to buy 1 unit, so the remaining will be 7, right? So I mean, this is simple, right? Just 8 minus 1, and that's it. The question is, when you have a list of product in your stock, and then the buyer also order accordingly, so how do you subtract this? Well, one of the immediate way could be, originally, right? uh you can do something like that, right? Equal, click on this, maybe minus this here, then enter, and then copy this to the other side. Maybe that works also, and then Control C and right click, paste it as a value. All right, maybe that works also, and then you do the same for another. So you enter this value, click on this, minus this here, right? And then go here. So yeah, you can do something like that, right? Then Control C and right click, paste value. So, but is there a better value, better way than doing this, right? The answer is yes, there is, right? If this value is all provided, subtracted, right? So we can make use of this procedure, right? The process. So what you do is that you copy the value the buyer orders, right? Copy it. Yeah, just Control C, copy, and then go to the existing current stock. You right click, and then you choose paste special. Just as I show screenshot here, paste special, and then choose subtract, and then click OK. And there you go. Right, so this is 774, right? So this is just an explanation. We don't need this anymore, right? So look at that, 774, right? Isn't that the same thing, right? 774. So you may know this trick. How to apply it is a next level game, right? So thanks for watching, and now guess back over here. Can you do the same, right? To turn this to density value, right? So right now we have 7, right? So this is current stock, and we have the buy order list. So how can we do this? Yeah, pause this video and think about it. Right? Do you want to do it row by row? Okay, the answer is this. Since these are in order, right click, paste special, subtract. It's done. Okay, so to double confirm, right, we can see whether is it correct, the value is it still the same, right? So minus this here, sorry, not this, check this here, minus this value here. We'll just drag here, drag way here. Okay, so you can see that this is 5 minus 2 is 3, right? So we just copy and then paste it here. So now I'm going to do the same, copy, right click, but this time I use paste special, subtract, click OK. So 864, 345, 346, well, it's exactly the same. Now, if you want to know that whether this value, let's say it's a very huge value, I mean a huge list, how can you know that these two value, these three lines and these three row columns are the same. Well, you can make use of equal this value is equal to this value, and that will give you true, and just right here. So look at that, right? These are all true, right? So yeah. So if you want to see that if there's a value is not matched, right, you can see there's a false here, and as you have compared two lists of value, right? Thanks for watching. Now let's hear from a testimony from a student. Thank you. We do a pre-training, and you learn this technique, right? This technique from how much time?
15 to 5 minutes.
15 minutes
To 5 minutes.
to 5 minutes every 5 days, yeah?